Come children, now we are going to begin with chapter number 4, urbanization. Now when we define urbanization, it means the shift of the population from rural to urban areas. Alright, now why would people they shift? They shift their job, their agriculture job to the jobs that is available in the factories in cities. So this is known as the urbanization. Now since we have adapted the mixed economy, so our cities also they have grown because the private sector in our country it has grown. So what is urbanization? It is the movement of the people from rural to the urban areas. Now there is some report regarding the trends of the urban and the rural population in India. The facts and figures they are given in the book. Just go through it. With regard to urbanization data on worldwide scale, so it says that there are nearly 100% urban population countries such as the Hong Kong, Bermuda, Monaco, Cayman Island, but there are less than 15% of the population of some of the countries where urbanization is less. So countries such as Cambodia, Rwanda, these countries they have the less number of people living in the urban areas. Now in the book, the certain table that is given, just go through it, which would tell you about the most urbanized and the least urbanized places. We now discuss the causes of urbanization. Let us now discuss the causes of urbanization. What are the certain causes that lead people to move from their village areas towards the center cities? That is because of the industrialization, better job opportunities, maybe the financial condition is better. Remember the certain push and the pull factors? Same factors, almost they are applicable here also. Now when we talk about the push factors, what would it be then? That there is not enough land to support the family, maybe the poor quality of the life, standard of living is low, electricity is not there, availability of the good schools, medical facility it is not there, overpopulation that is there, natural disasters, floods, famine, etc., or political instability. Then what of the pull factors? What lead people to move or to shift or to migrate from the village area to the urban city centers? The pull factors that include improved employment opportunities, improved quality of the life, housing, sanitation facilities, much better, then availability of the schools, hospitals. Now all of these things, they make life easy. Standard of living it increases. So these are the those were the few factors. Now urbanization in the developing world, it occurs for two main reasons. Now what are they? First, that is the natural increase in the population, and second, rural to urban migration is there. Now what is the natural increase in population? That nowadays the standard of medical facilities it has increased, which has led to the low death rate, and this has led to the natural increase in population. Now rural to urban migration, it means in the developing countries that urbanization it occurs when people move from the village to settle in the cities for a better future. Let us discuss the factor under these one by one. The first one given, that is industrialization. Now this is the most important cause of the urbanization, because for a better life, people would like to move from the villages towards the area where the industries they exist for the better employment opportunities. Then we have the social and the modernization. When we compare rural setup with the city setup, then everything is better in the urban areas because infrastructure, communication, medical facility, standard of living, educational facilities, that is much better. Alright, so people migrate to cities. This is the social factor. Now where the employment opportunities is concerned, see, villages agriculture is the main occupation, and agriculture it depends upon the rainfall, monsoons in our country. Now if the monsoons they are bad, that will have people to move from the rural area towards the city centers for a better job opportunity, to look out for the job. So this is the employment opportunity. Then gender and age, it says that the male gender is more likely to move rather than the female one. Age is also the factor. The more young, the youth, it can move rather than the older set of people.